Great product, exactly what I needed. Love these shaker cups. I'll be ordering more. I love my blender bottle, is easy to wash. Super shakers, thank you. These are great. Use it every day. They are nice and large and hold enough to get me through the day. Check out our coffee smoothie recipe on our YouTube channel video titled, Get Up and Go Coffee Smoothie. Gave as a gift. Recipient loved them and says they work pretty well. The blender balls do pretty good at mixing the contents, but they don't always get every clump out. My only complaint that warranted 4 stars was that I was sent the wrong colors, but I already shipped them, a gift, before I noticed, so I wasn't going to return. Very pleased with this purchase. Definitely the most durable and well-made shaker bottles I've bought so far. I can already tell these are going to last me a really long time. I got a clear with black lid and an all-solid purple colored one, and I really like the purple one despite it not being the same one pictured. Other one is for my husband. He was also really impressed with the quality and said it was so easy to clean. All he needed to do was shake with warm water right after use. I am expecting our 3rd baby and I really like that the cups are BPA free. We'll definitely be purchasing 2 more sets of these to replace all our old ones. I got these bottles for my husband and I when we go to the gym. I am beyond happy with this purchase. I have used bottles like this from Walmart before and had to get rid of them after a while as they wouldn't mix up the protein in my drink right. The colors are so cute and they blend amazingly well. The top is secure and does not leak at all. It is super easy to wash and maintain the cups clean. The price is superb for 2 cups. Would definitely recommend this. My husband and I bought these a few months ago and they are still going strong. The caps lock tight. You feel assured if the bottle tips over there will be no leaks. We've yet to experience any spills while shaking our liquids. The colors are pretty and true seller's picture. They last in the dishwasher too. Love these cups. I use them daily. One for water 24/7, one for shakes and smoothies. They are super easy to clean, and still look brand new. I will definitely be buying more. Thanks BlenderBottle. Click link in description for more reviews. Check our recommendations.